So these are called tomatillos. You take the husk off and you have to wash them really well. And these already have been washed. You just put them in your pot. And then I got 3 jalapenos. You can put more or less, however you like it. And then I'm just gonna add 2 cups of water. And then I'm gonna put it on the stove for about 5 minutes. Now we're checking our tomatoes, our tomatillos. As you can tell, they're falling apart. They changed colors. That means it's ready. The peppers, it depends how you want them cooked. These are cooked medium, but you can cook them more. But they're ready. So now we're gonna make the green salsa. Now we're gonna make the green salsa. I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic, and that depends on you. If you like garlic or don't like it, you can add 1 or 5, but the more you add, it gives it even more flavor. We're putting that in the blender. And now I'm gonna add the tomatillos and the jalapenos. And be careful because this was boiling and it's pretty hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro just from the top. You don't have to chop it, just get a piece off, throw it in there. And then salt, as much as you like. Not too much. I don't like adding too much salt. This will be good enough. I'm gonna add a little bit of the water, that way it can blend easier. I'm gonna put the top on, and now I'm gonna turn it on and blend it. And on this green salsa, you can blend it as much as you want. You can make it chunky or smoother, however you like. Now we're gonna pour it into the bowl. And this is the result. It smells pretty good.